Have you ever wondered how to run $1 million business? It's a tantalizing prospect, isn't it? The allure of financial independence, the thrill of steering your own ship, and the satisfaction of creating value that impacts lives. But let's not sugarcoat it. It also presents a formidable challenge. Running $1 million business requires more than just a brilliant idea or a unique product. It demands a solid business plan that envisions the road to success. It calls for efficient management that can turn that vision into reality. But above all, it requires the right mindset, a blend of resilience, adaptability, and unyielding determination. Remember, there's no quick fix or magic formula here. It's about laying the groundwork brick by brick, with strategic planning, effective execution, and constant learning. Running $1 million business is not a cakewalk, but with the right strategies and tools, it becomes a feasible goal. So, let's embark on this journey together, shall we? The foundation of a successful business is a solid business plan. It's not just a document you draft to impress investors or secure a loan. It's a strategic tool, a blueprint to your business's future, a guide to navigate through the entrepreneurial journey. At the heart of a business plan is market research. Understanding the market landscape is crucial. It's about identifying who your competitors are, what they're doing right, and where they're falling short. It's about understanding the trends, the shifts, the opportunities. Market research isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process, a constant quest for knowledge and insight. Next, you need to identify your target audience. Who are they? What do they want? How can your product or service meet their needs? The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your offering to them. Remember, your product or service isn't for everyone, it's for someone. Identifying that someone is key. Now, let's talk about setting clear business goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it a certain level of revenue, a specific market share, or maybe an innovative breakthrough? Your goals should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. They provide direction, focus, and a benchmark for success. Financial projections are another vital component of a business plan. They provide a snapshot of your business's financial health, both now and in the future. They include income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These documents tell a story about your business's profitability, liquidity, and financial stability. Finally, we have marketing strategies. How will you attract and retain customers? What channels will you use? How will you communicate your unique selling proposition? Your marketing strategies should be customer-centric, creative, and cost-effective. They should align with your business goals and resonate with your target audience. A well-thought-out business plan serves as a roadmap, guiding you towards your business goals. It's your compass in the entrepreneurial journey, helping you navigate through the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Behind every successful business is a competent and motivated team. This statement isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a fundamental truth in the world of business. Building the right team is like choosing the right ingredients for a recipe. If you pick the wrong ones, the dish won't turn out as expected. But if you select the right ones and mix them well, you'll create a delightful culinary masterpiece. Just like in cooking, the right team can make your business a success. Now, you might be wondering, how do we hire the right people? Well, look for individuals who complement your skills, individuals who can bring something new to the table. These could be people with different backgrounds, experiences, or perspectives. Remember, diversity breeds innovation, and innovation is the key to staying competitive in today's fast-paced business world. But hiring the right people is just the first step. You also need to foster a positive work culture. This is the environment that you create for your team. It's about how people treat each other, how they work together, and how they feel about their jobs. A positive work culture can increase productivity, boost morale, and reduce employee turnover. So encourage open communication, promote teamwork, and recognize your employees' efforts. And let's not forget about investing in employee development. This is about helping your team members grow both personally and professionally. You can do this through training programs, mentorship, and opportunities for advancement. By investing in your team, you're not only improving their skills, but also showing them that you value their contributions. This can lead to increased loyalty and a higher level of commitment to your business. In conclusion, building the right team isn't just about hiring talented individuals. It's about creating a positive work culture and investing in your employees' development. It's about recognizing that your team is your most valuable asset and treating them as such. Remember, a motivated and competent team can be the driving force behind your business's success. With the right team in place, you are one step closer to running a successful million-dollar business. Efficient financial management is the backbone of any successful business. It is the vital lifeblood that pumps through the veins of your enterprise, keeping it healthy and vibrant. The importance of maintaining financial records cannot be overstated. It's not just about keeping track of income and expenses. It's about understanding where every penny goes and why. It's about being able to track trends, identify potential problems, and make informed decisions. Think of your financial records as a snapshot of your business's health. They show you where you're thriving and where you may be bleeding out. So keep them up to date, accurate, and comprehensive. Use them to guide your business decisions. Enter the world of budgeting. It's like a financial roadmap, guiding you towards your goals while ensuring you don't run out of fuel along the way. A well-planned budget helps you anticipate future costs, project income, and manage cash flow. It's a tool that helps you control your financial future rather than being controlled by it. Cost control is yet another crucial aspect. It's about more than just cutting expenses. It's about maximizing the value you get from every dollar spent. It's about spending smart, not just spending less. Always ask yourself, how can I get more bang for my buck? And then there's investment. Whether it's investing in new equipment, technology, or people, the goal is always the same: to generate a return. A good investment strategy balances risk and reward and aligns with your overall business goals. Of course, effective financial management isn't something you have to do alone. A good accounting system can streamline the process, providing real-time insights and making it easier to stay on top of your finances. And financial advisors? They're like personal trainers for your business, helping you shape up your finances and keep them in peak condition. In the end, effective financial management is about more than just numbers. It's about taking control of your business's financial health, making smart decisions, and steering your ship towards success. It's about ensuring that your business isn't just surviving, but thriving. Sound financial management ensures your business stays profitable and sustainable. A strong marketing and sales strategy can propel your business to new heights. And it's not just about selling your product or service, but about building relationships, understanding your market, and creating a brand that resonates with your audience. First off, understanding your target market is crucial. This is not just about knowing who they are, but understanding their needs, their behaviors, their preferences. It's about understanding how they make decisions and what motivates them. This knowledge will allow you to tailor your marketing efforts to appeal to them directly, increasing the likelihood of successful conversions. Brand development, on the other hand, is about more than just a catchy logo or a memorable tagline. It's about creating a perception, a feeling, an association. Your brand is your promise to your customers. It tells them what they can expect from your products and services, and it differentiates your offering from that of your competitors. So invest in building a strong brand that communicates your business values and connects with your target audience on an emotional level. Now let's talk about marketing tactics. Traditional marketing methods are still effective, but in today's digital age, online marketing is king. From social media to email marketing, SEO, and content marketing, these tactics can help you reach a wider audience, engage with them more effectively, and ultimately drive more sales. But don't forget about sales and customer service. They are essential parts of your marketing and sales strategy. A strong sales team can help you close deals and drive revenue. Meanwhile, exceptional customer service can turn one-time buyers into repeat customers. It's all about building relationships, exceeding expectations, and creating positive experiences that make your customers want to come back. And finally, remember that your marketing and sales strategy should be flexible. The market changes, customer behaviors evolve, and new trends emerge. So be prepared to adapt your strategy as needed to keep up with these changes and maintain your competitive edge. With a robust marketing and sales strategy, your business is set to thrive in the marketplace. So go ahead, strategize, implement, and watch your million-dollar business grow. Running $1 million business is no easy feat, but it's not impossible. Now that we've walked through the essential steps, you're equipped with the knowledge to take on this challenge. Let's recap what we've discussed. First, the importance of developing a strategic and robust business plan. This is your roadmap, guiding you towards your $1 million goal. Second, the crucial role of building the right team. Remember, your business is only as strong as the people who run it. Surround yourself with individuals who share your vision and can help you reach it. Third, effective financial management. It's not just about making money, but managing it wisely. Sound financial decisions can make or break your business. Lastly, we delved into marketing and sales strategies. These are your tools for reaching out to your target audience, creating awareness, and driving sales. With these strategies in hand, you're well on your way to running a successful $1 million business. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but also the journey.